Hi everyone, so in this video I want to share with you guys try to make a salsa from scratch. It's the first time I'm going to attempt this, and so I'm going to have 2 big tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, little bit of garlic, red onion, garlic salt, pepper, and ground cumin. And then I'll show you guys how I will prepare this. I think I'm going to boil these, and I'll show you guys the result. Okay, so I made salsa, and in this one I put a little bit of cilantro, and this one I did not, as you can see, and you can store these for about 3 to 4 days in the fridge, and these are perfect for marinating chicken or huevos rancheros, or I'm gonna use this as sauce for taquitos dorados. um, and it was super easy. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.